Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Fulfillment by Amazon. Whether you're new to e-commerce or looking to scale your business, it's a service offered by Amazon where you can store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. When a customer places an order, Amazon picks, packs, and ships the product to the customer on your behalf. You send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon stores your products in their warehouses. When a customer places an order on Amazon, the order is picked up by Amazon's system. Amazon employees pick your product from the shelves, pack it securely, and ship it to the customer. Amazon handles customer inquiries and returns, providing support directly to buyers. Here are some tips to succeed with Amazon FBA. Choose products with good demand and profit margins. Optimize listings, write compelling product descriptions, and use high-quality images. Monitor inventory, keep track of your inventory levels to avoid stockouts or excess storage fees. Utilize Amazon tools, use tools like Amazon Seller Central for analytics, advertising, and inventory management. Whether you're a new seller or looking to expand your e-commerce business, Amazon FBA can be a game changer.